Hello friends, welcome back to in our YouTube channel English Practice with Mahan. Friends, today's topic is had to. We are about to do only speaking practice because you know very well English is a language. If you want to speak any language, if you want to learn any language, so without listening and without speaking, we can't speak any single words. So that's why I feel this type of practice very useful for every learner students, because I am also a student just like you. I am not any a teacher, so I want to speak English and I want to learn English. So that's why I am here to speak English and to learn English. So sometimes I'll change subject and I'll change verb. There are many verbs and there are many subjects. So I have some verb because uh, I have a very short time, that's why. But if you want to speak English, so there are many verbs and there are many subjects. So you will have to do many subjects and many verbs only speaking practice, just like me. So without wasting time, let's start today's class. Sometimes I'll change subject and sometimes I'll change verb. First of all, one subject and there are many verbs. We will do practice just like me and you have to do because you have to speak English. So that's why let's start today's class. Okay. Otherwise this video is very long. So that's why let's start. I had to read. I did not have to read. Did I have to read? Did I not have to read? Why did I have to read? Why did I not have to read? I had to write. I did not have to write. Did I have to write? Did I not have to write? Why did I have to write? Why did I not have to write? I had to go. I did not have to go. Did I have to go? Did I not have to go? Why did I have to go? Why did I not have to go? I had to come. I did not have to come. Did I have to come? Did I not have to come? Why did I have to come? Why did I not have to come? I had to speak. I did not have to speak. Did I have to speak? Did I not have to speak? Why did I have to speak? Why did I not have to speak? I had to learn. I did not have to learn. Did I have to learn? Did I not have to learn? Why did I have to learn? Why did I not have to learn? I had to run. I did not have to run. Did I have to run? Did I not have to run? Why did I have to run? Why did I not have to run? I had to play. I did not have to play. Did I have to play? Did I not have to play? Why did I have to play? Why did I not have to play? I had to help. I did not have to help. Did I have to help? Did I not have to help? Why did I have to help? Why did I not have to help? I had to work. I did not have to work. Did I have to work? Did I not have to work? Why did I have to work? Why did I not have to work? You had to read. So I'll change the subject. You, just like you had to read. You did not. You did not have to read. Did you have to read? Did you not have to read? Why did you have to read? Why did you not have to read? You had to go. You did not have to go. Did you have to go? Did you not have to go? Why did you have to go? Why did you not have to go? You had to come. You did not have to come. Did you have to come? Did you not have to come? Why did you have to come? Why did you not have to come? You had to speak. You did not have to speak. Did you have to speak? Did you not have to speak? Why did you have to speak? Why did you not have to speak? You had to learn. You did not have to learn. Did you have to learn? Did you not have to learn? Why did you have to learn? Why did you not have to learn? You had to play. You did not have to play. Did you have to play? Did you not have to play? Why did you have to play? Why did you not have to play? You had to help. You did not have to help. Did you have to help? Did you not have to help? Why did you have to help? Why did you not have to help? You had to work. You did not have to work. Did you have to work? Did you not have to work? Why did you have to work? Why did you not have to work? He had to read. He did not have to read. Did he have to read? Did he not have to read? Why did he have to read? Why did he not have to read? He had to write. He did not have to write. Did he have to write? Did he not have to write? Why did he have to write? Why did he not have to write? He had to go. He did not have to go. Did he have to go? Did he not have to go? Why did he have to go? Why did he not have to go? He had to come. He did not have to come. Did he have to come? Did he not have to come? Why did he have to come? Why did he not have to come? He had to speak. He did not have to speak. Did he have to speak? Did he not have to speak? Why did he have to speak? Why did he not have to speak? He had to learn. He did not have to learn. Did he have to learn? Did he not have to learn?